All right, once again, we're here at One Stop Auto Sales, located 2838 Gray Highway, located in Jones County, Macon, Georgia, 312-114-708-741-8009. 2007 Hummer, folks. 2007 Hummer, black on black, H3. You got your step boards, you got the extra large chrome aftermarket wheels. It's a 07 with only 102,000 miles, moonroof, running boards. It's got an absolutely phenomenal aftermarket stereo system. Of course, it is a four-wheel drive. You got to hear the sound system in this vehicle. It's only got 102,000 miles on a 2007 model vehicle here at One Stop Auto Sales. H3 Hummer. Reach out to us, 478-741-8009, or you can reach me, Spencer Hood, on the cell at 478-718-1991. Visit us on the web 24 hours a day. The number One Stop Auto Sale, S-A-L-E without the S.com. 07 Hummer H3, 102,000 miles, moonroof, aftermarket chrome wheels, upgraded wheels as well, an upgraded stereo system and running boards. And remember, don't be upside down in your next vehicle. Shop One Stop.